All right, guys, so what we're gonna talk about is the returning customer rating, okay? And why do I think this is important? Well, the reason why I think it's important because not a lot of people talk about it, and it's a foundation that you put yourself in so that you can keep getting the same customers buying from your store over and over and over and over and over and over again, okay? So like I said, I'm gonna be showing you my results for one of my Shopify stores just so that it can motivate you guys and so that you know that it's definitely possible, okay? Especially in 2019. All right, so as you can see, we've done about $6,800 for the month of January, okay? We've had 3,000 visitors, and as you can see, our customer return rating is at 21%. Now, why is that, guys? Like I said, I'm going to explain that in this video. I'm going to give you guys 4 tips that you guys can run away with right now so that you guys can have repeated sales and have sales, left and right, okay? And so here is our conversion rate for this online store. It is a 5.5, which is not bad. We've had better days, but like I said, it fluctuates every single time, but that's fine. 5%, you can't complain with that. Our average order value is about $40, which isn't too bad, okay? So let me actually refresh this real quick so that I can show you guys that it is definitely real. So I'm gonna just do today actually and show you. Okay, so it's actually $227 for today. What I'm gonna show you guys is for the month. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go to apply, and there you go, $6,800. So what I'm gonna do is put my camera down and explain to you guys how you can get these types of results. So the number 1 tip, guys, is to run a retargeting ad, okay? Now, why run a retargeting ad? First of all, many people aren't even doing it, okay? Everybody's just running Facebook ads and not even thinking about, the people that have already seen your ad, okay? A lot of people run Instagram influencers. They don't think about the people that have already landed on their page. A lot of people run Facebook ads. They don't think about the people that have left their page. And they're just gone. You're just wasting money. But what you can do is run a retargeting ad so that you can bring those guys back into your funnel so that they can be able to buy your products. So for the people that have already bought your products, what you got to do is run a retargeting ad to those people with new offers or with discounts or with sales. And retargeting ads is the cheapest ads that you're ever gonna get, guys. 100%, okay? Run retargeting ads, run remarketing ads on Google, run retargeting ads on Facebook. Do whatever you can to show your ads as much as possible to the people that have bought your products. And not only that, but people that already came to your store and left, and show them a new offer, okay? And once you do that, guys, people won't forget about your brand, okay? You don't want people to be a one and done. You don't want to run an influencer post, spend about $20 or $30 or even $100. You don't get sales. Let's say you get, I've seen people get 1,000 visitors and don't run retargeting ads on that, okay? That is a waste of money, okay? You got all this money in all these visitors that came to your site, and why not retarget them, guys? So the number 2 strategy that I have for you is run email sequences. So basically, let's say a customer orders a product from your store, right? Now, what is next? What is the next thing that they do? Well, they're obviously waiting for their product, from what, 12 to 20 days, okay? So during that time, you don't want to forget about your customer. You want to cater to them. So for our first time customers, what I like to do is put them in an email sequence and say, hey, thank you for shopping with us. Thank you for visiting us. Thank you for, taking a chance on buying our products, right? So now you build a little bit of a relationship, and then maybe, 3 days later, 2 days later, you say, hey, have you checked out our other products? Your order is on your way, but while you're waiting, maybe you want to check these out, and then you're building a relationship. It keeps building, and then once the 4th day or the 6th day, you keep saying, hey, we have more products, we got more inventory, more things are coming in. And now, instead of that customer being a first-time customer, that customer will be your customer for life. So the 3rd strategy to get a high returning customer rating is to run promos, not on Instagram influencers, but on your personal page. Now, why do I say personal page instead of Instagram influencers? Well, the thing is that people that have already bought your products, let's say from Instagram, are already following you. So, why not keep promoting your page and, keep promoting it to your own followers and say, hey, we got this, or, post reviews or post before and after images, or post results, right? Once you do that, customers are going to know that you're a real brand. People are going to say you're legit. They might DM you, they might ask questions, keep refreshing them with new products, new ideas, you know, ask them questions, ask them, you know, what they want in the future, especially if they've already bought your product. And that is the third way how we are able to get our high return customer rating. Now, the fourth tip that I have for you guys is to run discounts and sales. A lot of people don't run discounts, okay? A lot of people want to do a sale, but, you know, offer an additional discount. Say, you know, we offer 10% off, or, you know, do 2 for 10 or 3 for 30, or whatever kind of promo discount that you want to do. And what this is going to allow you to do is that now they can get more for less. So there's a lot of different ways that you can give that customer a discount so that they can come into your funnel, and then that returning customer rating will be even higher. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please leave a like on this video. Also, if you want to learn more on exactly how you can take your business to the next level for free, okay, you guys can check out the link down below. I do have a free training, a free guide. I take you step by step. It is basically a Shopify challenge, and if you want to take into a next level, I do have a program that you guys can check out. So I hope you guys enjoy. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.